and then you push down and it releases, and you pull it up, and this hangs out.
Oh, keep going.
I think it's all.
Push it in like a push pop.
Yep. Uh-oh. Hold on. Okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
This is what it looks like in.
Oh!
And you can't let the.
Oh, why is it like a flower? What is that? What?
Yeah, push down.
Oh my! Why did it come out?
Wait,
Wait,
hold the string. Don't let the string go.
What the?
And then
that
it fills
expands inside you?
Yeah, it expands and it collects all the blood.
Okay.
And then it's in you.
I don't like that.